Good morning, this is Keith Renna with the Renna Lending Team of Prospect Mortgage, the nation's largest privately held direct lender, bringing you this week's mortgage update. I want to touch on two things, one being interest rates, the second being the extension of the federal homebuyer tax credit, first-time homebuyer tax credit. For starters, interest rates, they started off the week slightly lower than they did the previous week. Today they ticked back up slightly, but overall we're still right next to the historic low. With paying a point or two, you can obtain a 30-year fixed rate in the low 4% range on a conventional loan. The FHA, you're in the mid-4s. They're slightly higher, but still right next to, if not below, their historic lows. Now, the extension of the federal first-time homebuyer tax credit, that deadline is today. It will not help homebuyers that are actively out looking at property now, but for the 200,000 homeowners across the country, or future potential homeowners, I should say, across the country, it will help out those 200,000 individuals. You have had to have been in contract on a property prior to April 30th, and then that deadline for you to complete and close on the transaction needed to be June 30th. That is today being Wednesday. So the House, as of yesterday, they approved the extension, so the Senate needs to act fast. They need to approve it today. Therefore, you will have another 3 months to complete your transaction. So if you're in a short sale or foreclosure and perhaps you're still going through negotiations, or your lender is maybe taking a little bit of time to complete their loan, then that will certainly help out you or those individuals in that position and help them obtain that $8,000 tax credit, which is really, free money for those first-time home buyers. If you have questions about being pre-approved, if you currently own real estate and you're interested in refinancing or taking a look at that option, because interest rates are so low, the 5-year ARM, the 15-year fixed, the 20-year fixed, the 10-year fixed are even lower than the low 4% range at this point in time. Please do feel comfortable contacting myself or my team. We can be reached at 661-290-3817, and thank you for spending a few minutes with us here today. Bye-bye.